Ever wondered how massive projects with countless moving parts actually stay on track? That's where Primavera P6 comes in, a powerful project management software that helps project managers plan, schedule, and control even the most complex projects. Without Primavera P6, managing project timelines, resources, and costs can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, but with it, project managers gain visibility and control. At its core, Primavera P6 is a scheduling tool. You can define project tasks, set durations, and establish dependencies to create a realistic project schedule. The software then uses algorithms to determine the critical path. But Primavera P6 is more than just scheduling. It also facilitates efficient resource management by allowing you to assign resources like personnel, equipment, and materials to specific tasks. Crucially, Primavera P6 enables project control by providing real-time insights into project performance. The reporting features allow for easy communication of project status to stakeholders. So, if you're looking to streamline your project management processes, improve project visibility, and enhance project control, Primavera P6 is an indispensable tool that empowers you to manage complexity with confidence.